Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a GIF to Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already. And after doing so, it's going to open up this new main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here in the home page where you can find all the websites that you own and that you can edit. So what we want to do guys is to go ahead and open up our website where we want to add a GIF to. So go ahead and open it up right here, and it's going to open up in this preview mode where you can take a look at our website settings, products, content, and so on. And now we can get started with adding our GIFs. Basically guys, this is what we have to do. Go ahead and click the edit option right here at the top of the screen. After clicking the edit option, this is now going to open up this new menu where you can take a look at, you can edit your site header, footer, and your main section. And this is where we want to get started with editing and adding GIFs. So what we want to do is click the add block option right here. Basically guys, what we're going to be using for our GIF is the image option right here. So you can see under the blocks that we can add, we want to find image, and now in this image option we can get started uploading what we want to put. So you can see you can upload a file from your PC or you can browse stock images from your mobile, doesn't matter, you can go ahead and put it right here. So go ahead and upload a file and select the GIF that you want to add. It works the same for both images and GIFs, and just add it right here, put it wherever you want, and people will be able to see your GIF on your website. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.